Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss contact forces. A contact forces is any force that occurs as a result of two objects making contact with each other. So whenever you are touching or whenever you're pushing, you're touching that object, you're pushing it. That is also one type of contact forces. The first here is muscular force. The force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. In the picture, you can see that two persons are trying to push that rope. So they are applying some kind of force with their muscles. So that is nothing but your muscular force. A boy is trying to push the trolley is an example of muscular force. The next is force of friction. Friction is the resistance to the movement of a body over the surface of another body. In the picture you can see that an ant is trying to push an object. In that, what she is trying to do, she's trying to push an object, so that she is applying one kind of force, right? So one is applied force and another is the one which is try to opposing that force. That is nothing but frictional force. When the applied force is more than the frictional force, at the time only the object will move. So this is one example of sliding friction, static friction. The next is nothing but normal force. Normal force is nothing but a force that a solid surface exerts on any object in the normal direction is called as a normal force. When you balance anything, so for example, if you kept any book on the table, there will be two forces acting on that book. The one will be the gravitational force which you try to pull that book downwards. The other will be the normal force which will keep that book on the table. So we are having two types of force when an object is at stationary. The first is at the normal force, and another is the gravitational force. Okay, so the normal force is very important, okay, because it is balancing the objects by like over by cutting off the gravitational force. The next is nothing but tension. Tension is nothing but when you stretch any rope or string, the tightness of the rope or the string is nothing but tension. We know that the stone will fall down due to gravitational pull of the earth if the string is broken. For a stone tied to the string, gravity pulls the down stool all the time, but it will not falls down because it is supported by the string. So there exists a force which supports the stone against the gravity by pulling it upwards. This force is nothing but tension. So we are having few examples of tension. Okay, the one is tug of war, which you will play in school. Rock climbing, crane is an example of tension. The next is net force. Net force is nothing but the total force acting on a body. Okay, it may be on the same side, or it may be one force is in another direction, another force is in opposite direction. So when two forces are acting in opposite direction, the net force will be F1 minus F2. You can see in the example. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.